Introducing the Agile Elite Rolling Mill, the latest premium addition to our renowned Agile series. The King's Award Celebration Edition is an exciting new rolling mill which really stands out with its dazzling copper finish, additional features and a suite of side extensions, bringing enhanced capabilities to simplify your metalworking projects. The Agile Elite is designed and manufactured in Britain at Durston's headquarters. The King's Award Celebration Edition of the Agile Elite features a robust, powder-coated copper finish, which is durable and visually striking, an expanded flat area, which gives increased space for pattern or flat sheet rolling, an adjustable T-bar enabling easier and faster adjustments for smooth operation, an ergonomic revolving handle, which provides extra comfort during use. The rear catch tray is finished in white for easy visibility and retrieval of pieces, while the groove pointer bar ensures precision and ease in rolling. A large reduction gearbox means effortless rolling with the famous Durston gearbox design. And safety features include a protective guard around the top gears with an easy-to-read calibrated dial. The Agile Elite features a D-shaped extension roll as standard, but you also get a set of comfort fit rollers and 2 additional sets of D-shaped extension rollers. The Agile Elite is available in 110 and 140 models, with a choice of flat or combination rolls. What's more, it comes with a fantastic range of practical accessories, including our best-selling pattern plate and a rolling mill cover offering protection from dust and dirt. Every unit is uniquely numbered and ready to give you a lifelong partnership on your creative journey. Experience unmatched quality and value with the King's Award Celebration Edition Agile Elite Rolling Mill.